Hi, Sharice Okamoto with Caliber Real Estate Group here. It is December 30th and just wanted to recap the year. It's been a crazy one. Going back over some of the market reports that we shot and what the predictions that the experts were making and what actually happened. So back March 16th was one of the first market reports we shot as the coronavirus was coming out or as everything was being shut down because of the coronavirus. And looking at a quote from Ivy Zelman saying that interest rates are trumping the fears of the coronavirus. And then we look at this slide from today showing that over the last 6 recessions, what housing prices have done. And we can see that values actually have gone up 7.3% in 2020. So we can see that Ivy Zelman was correct saying that the low interest rates, low inventory definitely trumped the fact that COVID was happening. So we moved on to March 30th and the GDP obviously took a huge hit in the second quarter. The experts were predicting that in the third and fourth quarter it would rebound, and we can see that that is actually what happened here with this graph. April 11th, we were talking about unemployment, and the projections were that there was going to be about a 15% unemployment this year and drop to between 6 and 8% next year. And we can see that that actually was pretty accurate, that we got up to 14.7 in April and down back to 7.9 in September, the most recent numbers that I have. So we're already within that 6 to 8% margin that they were predicting for next year. Obviously unemployment, we don't want to have anybody being unemployed. So that's obviously not fantastic, but it is better if we look at what was happening in April. On June 16th, we talked about home price projected appreciation. We have the experts ranging from a decrease in 0.32% all the way to the Mortgage Bankers Association predicting a 4.3% increase. So that was the projections back in June, and we look at what they're predicting now. Ivy Zelman is predicting a 5.9% increase over the next 12 months. And into 2020, if you're looking just at the 2021 forecast, Realtor.com is at 5.7. On the low end, the Mortgage Bankers Association is at 2%. So they're still predicting the appreciation over the next year. Now, July 13th was a good one. Susie Orman, who is a finance expert, was saying that you should hold off buying until the end of the year to see what happens with unemployment and to see, and basically saying that prices are going to drop and there's going to be a wave of foreclosures. Well, we look at what home equities are year over year in California. You have on average a $34,000 gain in equity. You can see across the country there was no decline anywhere. So be careful who you get your information from. Listen to the experts. If you want to take financial information on the planning of your future from Susie Orman, fantastic. Real estate information, probably not so much. We're looking at Orange County specifically, the appreciation. So the city of Orange had an 8.5% increase. The median home price in Orange is $732,000. North Tustin is up 5.3% at just over 1.2 million. Villa Park is just under 1.4 million and up 4.9%. So like I said, it's been a crazy year, but real estate has helped the economy kind of bounce back, and people are still looking to buy and sell. The low interest rates coupled with the low inventory is why the experts are predicting that the prices will continue to increase next year. If you have any questions, want more specific information, please feel free to reach out to us. Hope you have a great new year. Looking forward to seeing what 2021 brings. Thanks so much.